How to go live on Twitch. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to go live on Twitch. For that, you'll have to open your Twitch application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this page of your Twitch application, here at the top right, you will see Create option. Click on it and you will be switched to creator mode now. Here at the bottom you will find various icons. Click on that plus button at the center below and you will be presented with two options. Here select the first option. After selecting it, you will be directed to this page. Here select any one of the game and then click on this continue button below. Here you can add a title for your stream. Also you can customize these other settings if you want. Now click on this open stream controls button at the bottom. After clicking on it, you will see this window. Here click on this live icon just ahead of microphone icon and you will start your live now. Here give access to record with Twitch and then you have successfully started your live on Twitch. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.